let me do this thing. Oh yeah, I can make it through that. Thank you! Back out here. You got it? Yeah, I'm cool. I want to taste it later.
Sorry, I got the story enough to finish.
Got big time here.
$20 gas. $200 start.
You got it on there, y'all.
I put the
turbo. I guess it looked like it was leaking.
Nah, we spilled some water earlier.
Oh, okay.
We were trying to put water in it.
Oh, okay. Nah, let's say he ain't got no leak. Damn, they been let this. I guess they took the T-top off, so big time can sit in. Huh?
I can't come on. Hey, bro. Look out. Hey,
huh?
Got an issue. So I'm ready to come up the trailer. I can't do it for the 1,000. We can do it for the 500. I'm testing right now for the nickel.
Nah, I need my 500 if you can.
Look, yeah, I can make it right here.
Nah, punk out. If you can't make it, then pay your 500.
I gotta go to the ATM, sir. We got it on Cash App. You want Cash App or what? We can Cash App it to you.
Cash App too?
Nah, I ain't got Cash App.
What you got? You got Cash App?
Send it to him.
I'll send you.
Okay, they send it to me.
Well, come on.
All right.
So what we finna do?
Nothing.
So what's the problem? It ain't ready. It ain't.
No, it's ready.
It's
It's ready to go right now.
So what they finna do?
We fixing to get up there and just let them run. Whatever happens, happens. I don't,
Okay.
Everybody been working on their shit, so we don't know what's gonna go down.
Everybody been working on it. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we don't know what's
So
gonna
what?
go
500? Yeah, I already got Pedro 500.
You got 1,000.
Oh, that's 1,000.
You got 50, 20.
Oh yeah,
That's 1,000.
That's 1,000. We got it.
they got the 1,000.
Yeah. So you want the Cash App or you want the Cash App? I'll send it to whoever
Okay.
needs it.
Well, I don't know how much they need to send.
I'm only sending it
They
two. This is the
short
whole
right
1,000.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay,
Yeah,
bet.
All right. We
And
got
then,
you covered.
okay, so that's the race. That's the
race.
pot. Okay,
Whatever
bet.
happens. They both been working on the shit. So
Okay.
I don't know about this one,
Yeah.
and I don't know about that one.
Okay, well, bet. It's about to go down, y'all. The $1,000 race, big time, Pedro, both untested. Oh, my Cash App Lookout Racing all together. Put the money sign first.
Because we already done this shit
Yeah,
before.
put the money sign. Just put 200 right there. Pay. And then find Lookout Racing. Boom.
We did it a while back. We on
You
that.
probably just gotta type it in. It'll help you.
No, it's right here.
Oh, it's finna pull up. You just passed it. I thought, there I go right there. Lookout Racing. We in the building, y'all. Okay, so boom. Here we go. Here go the $1,000 race, y'all. We got a turbo Trans Am, F body, roll cage, getting that tire pressure right.
Look at, let me ask you a question.
Yeah,
He locked Chris in.
yeah.
Right.
He locked him
He
in.
said he locked me
What
in
was the
after.
lock?
Chris, 500,000. Right?
Okay, yeah,
He said, I'm going to run him first.
yeah,
I'll run you after.
Yeah.
They barely get up here. The lanes are closed. I've
Yeah.
been in the lanes.
yeah.
He owed me the punk out, bro. He tell me,
Uh-oh. Damn, that's a fucked up situation.
now,
Tap.
he's talking to you.
I got another person talking to me.
Oh, It's
Okay.
already done. It's sent
Okay.
over.
Hey, he owed me the punk out.
Boom. Huh? I don't know. That's a messed up situation.
I
Because
told him I
hey,
would run him
you know what?
after
We
Chris.
don't work. We can do that right now. All we gotta do is top rushing for a race. You want to whoop him first?
I want that 1,000 first.
Okay, he want that 1,000 first, y'all. Is that how y'all would play it if it was y'all?
Wow. It's yours, Pedro? Yeah.
Pedro done just built this car
Built that car in a week.
in a week.
I'm finna make 1,000 off that motherfucker real quick.
He finna make 1,000 real quick. Just put the bitch together. Just put it together. I already talking about making 1,000, y'all. Just put it together.
Look.
Chris don't want to lose the punk out because he feeling like it's too good to be true. He like, man, Pedro should mess up. He ain't never went fast. They betting on the odds and the variables. They both think they ready and got it figured out. You seen Pedro, he just pulled up and had a problem. Oh, left lane. Damn. He stayed out there.
See who fucking tearing up big one.
Hey.
Fucking tear.
He started doing like this.
Yeah.
He started doing like this.
Straight. If he'd have stayed.
We just stayed
Motherfucker running though. He'd have caught.
Fucking time, where you betting at on this race coming
Come
up?
on, man.
Man, I don't know. Both of them right. I mean,
Nah,
I don't know
you gotta
what to bet
come
on
on,
that.
man.
You gonna bet though? You ain't gonna bet?
Man, I don't know. They just come.
Both of them, this their first time. Uh-oh, they crunk up now.
What you think?
I'm telling you, I think the Mustang gotta get it. Hey! I'm supposed to be holding that other 1,000. Where that? Uh-oh, he done turned the headlights on. Hey, you the one with the money? Yeah. Okay, bet. Bet, he got it. Okay. Here come big time, y'all. It is able to drive, it's in gear.